Okay, video number 500 of Claire eating gross stuff. This is turkey and giblets dinner. It's cat food, so that's gonna be really nice. Wait, the little battery thing's on, so okay. I don't want to open this. I'm gonna cool on my house.
It's stinky. Holy shit, it's stinky. Look at that. It smells like ass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, did you hear that? Okay. It smells so bad. Oh my god. I was like, I can swallow it. I can't swallow. Ew. Oh my god. Don't eat cat food. Yeah, okay, that's disgusting.
Ew.
Okay, now I'm gonna wash it down with some clam juice.
Oh, it's like sitting right there.
Oh my god! I shouldn't have smelled it. Oh.
Just down it.
It's so bad. There's cat food in my mouth still. Smell it.
No.
Smell it.
No, I can't. I'm gonna crap on my bar.
I don't want to do it.
Come on, Claire. I'm the motivator. Come on. Woo.
I'm so scared.
Oh, it stinks. It
I
stinks.
know. Did you hear that? Oh!
She literally was you. That was a close one. Don't puke.
That's so gross.
Okay.
Oh my god. Is that enough for now?
Yep.
Okay.